everyone, thanks for joining DCPL's STEM Time. I'm Miss Tara. So today we're going to be making a volcano. And in the second part of this video series, you'll be making the volcano erupt. So the way that we're going to make a volcano is to take a paper plate and a cup, either paper or plastic, tape the cup to the paper plate. Now, if you don't have a paper plate, just unglue one of the boxes in your recycling, like I took my Kleenex box. I took a bowl and traced the outline of the bowl, and then I'm ready to cut this into a circle like this, okay? And then from there, what I did was I took some newspaper. Now, I don't have a newspaper delivered at home every day, but I do get weekly mailers from the grocery store. They come, whether I ask them to or not, in my mailbox. So I have been saving those. And so what I did was I loosely gathered them around like this, and then taped them using masking tape to both the plate and then to the inside of the cup. And then once this is all done, it looks more like a mountain, but maybe let's say I want to paint it. If you do, then you need to make a paper mache so that then you can paint this. And so what I did was I took strips of newspaper, I mixed flour and water together, and it's basically about a cup of flour to a cup and a half of water, but you want to add the water slowly so that you don't have too much water. And it's kind of this consistency, and it makes a nice paper mache. But this is messy. So if you're somebody who doesn't like messy projects at home, this probably isn't one for you because it's going to drip all over. So then there's another version of a volcano that you can do. Same idea. We take the plastic cup and we glue it to a paper plate or a piece of round cardboard that we've cut. And then what I've used here is I've used the brown packing paper that I received in a recent shipment I got of my dog's food, which I bought online. So that's good to go with no painting. I didn't have to do the paper mache and paint. There's a third version of a volcano that you can make, and that is if you like to have indoor plants and you might have some extra potting soil at your house. You can gather the potting soil around the paper cup on a tray that has lips around it. You don't want the eruption to spill over. So you can gather that around and make a mountain whenever you're ready to start the eruption part of this experiment. Just know that you won't be able to use that potting soil again because it's going to get too acidic. So it would have to be thrown out. All right, so 3 different ways to make a volcano. Stay tuned because very soon you're going to be seeing how to make the volcano erupt. Until next time, thank you for joining me for STEM Time. I'm Miss Tara. Don't forget to check out the DC Public Library's website, dclibrary.org, for more activities and resources, and of course, ebooks and audiobooks. We hope to see you there soon. Bye-bye.
DC Public Library. We are here with you.